Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Leonora Ricaido. I'm 39 years old. I'm Catholic. I am high school graduate. I am married. I have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. I have work experience in Kuwait as a domestic helper as 2 years from 2015 to 2017. I serve 10 families and I do cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and ironing and taking care of baby. And also, I have work experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper as a 2 years from 2021 to 2023. I serve 1 adult and 1 baby. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do my best as on my own. I will taking care of your baby as my and I will follow all your rules and regulation. Thank you.